for it. The balance needs to be positive in there for it. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I really need help quickly, like now, like months ago. Like, yeah, it's bad. It's getting worse, man. I had a little snack today, one of these little protein bars or whatever they are, something like that, fruit bar or whatever it is. That's all I've had to eat all day. I'm starving. I ain't got no money. I had to use the rest of the money. I had to charge the car so I can go to work, and I've been working, and it's been slow. And so I had to stop working to stop wasting the charge. So I'd come on here and get some help. I'm just stuck. You're in recovery? Well, I'll pray for you. I'm already recovered. I'm not in recovery. I'm recovered. It's just financial stuff, man. That's the problem. That's all it is. That's what the world wants, y'all. That's what I need. If the world didn't run on that, I'd be all right. But it does. I got a lot of stuff coming up very quickly, and even if I need help, it's that simple. Please go to my bio, top 4 ways to send some help. It's that simple. I can't do it. I need help. I can't do it. I don't have nothing to do nothing with. I've been doing pretty good for a while. So, well, kind of not good, but I've been getting by, barely getting by for a while now. But now things are changing. My expenses are going up and the income is going down. So it's time for me to get some help, please. So please help me. Please go to the bio. Anything else? You had some ramen. Don't eat ramen. It's bad for you. It's not food. It's plastic. It ain't food. It ain't noodles. It's plastic. Do not eat ramen. It is terrible for you. Don't eat it. It's plastic. You'd be better off getting just some pasta noodles and like some broth and something and just mixing that together. You know what I'm saying? That way it's actually real food. I'm telling you. All right, look. Y'all help me out, please. Go get something to eat and go charge this vehicle and get something to eat, man. Plus, I'd like to get a room. You know what I mean? Not tonight. It's too late for that. Well, it's not too late. It's just be a waste of money. You know, be great once I get it for a whole week. But, you know, I'll go check it right now if I could. But, you know. Do what you got to do. I know, but I'm just telling you about them ramens. It ain't real food, man. It's plastic. Don't eat it. You can get same price, you can get some noodles or some other kind of noodles and some broth and stuff or whatever. Mix that together, I'm telling you. Flavor however you want. Yeah, it'll be better for you. All right, so is anybody in here gonna help me get something to eat? And charge the vehicle up? And buy some cigarettes and some energy drinks and some breakfast tomorrow and a hotel room tomorrow and some lunch tomorrow and some dinner tomorrow, a hotel room tomorrow and a car and a place to live and anything in between? That'd be great. Anything helps. So go to the bio, top 4 ways, send some help. Get other people to do it. You know what I mean? Watch the pin video, share the pin video on top 4 ways. Everybody you can. Followers, friends, family, coworkers, church members, get them to do the same thing. Get as many people to know my situation and have the top 4 ways and send some help. It will add up. But anything helps. I'm hungry. I need to charge the vehicle. You know what I'm saying? And all kinds of other stuff. So please go to the bio and send some help, please. I'm grateful for any help. Please help. I'm homeless. Please help. Anything helps. Info in bio. Oh, man. Oh. I'm so tired. Oh, man. So blinded by their own hatred, they cannot see my reality. And that's sad. It's terrible. It's terrible, man. Y'all please help. Anything helps, info in bio. You don't like lunch meat? Somebody said lunch meat is horrible. I don't know, man. Some of it's all right. You know what I mean? That processed stuff ain't no good. Ramen? No, I don't need no ramen. It ain't real food. It's plastic. You're better off getting some other kind of pasta and some broth or something. Flavor it the way you want to. It's actually not bad that way. Yeah, boar's head, deli meats. Yeah, those are good. Bologna, American cheese. Well, I mean, if you get some real stuff, you know what I'm saying, it ain't too bad. Y'all help me out. I'll go charge this vehicle, go through the drive-thru somewhere and give me some food before they close. I'm hungry. I need to charge the vehicle. I got auto pay stuff coming up very soon. I need a lot of help. Anything helps. You know, I'm homeless, please help. Anything helps, info in bio. Y'all please help me. Oh, man. Oh. I had to have, because auto pay, I had to have it auto paid. That's how they do it at the membership thing. Didn't have a choice. Told them I didn't want to do it. They said, well, that's the way it works. I said, okay. I don't make the rules. A little tired. No, honey, I've been tired since August of 2023. There's no word to describe how tired I am. Or depressed. Whatever a human being's got, right? Everything you can think about that makes up a human being, every level, right? Spiritually, physically, mentally, you name it. I'm way past every maxed out level on that for months. Way past it. The solar eclipse today, y'all seen today? That ain't nothing. My stuff, I'm so far past that a human being can handle. My stuff's way past that eclipse y'all seen. That's how much I got. It's been so long. See, every day seems like about 2 weeks for me. That's how long it seems every day. It's weird, man. I need some help. Y'all please help. Anything helps. Info in bio. Well, I was at the homeless shelter back in August. I had me a little cottage, and I got to sleep in it. Yeah. I used to actually get sleep. And not no more. Not since then. Yeah, I've only had a hotel, once in the last 6 weeks. Even before that, when I would get it for a couple of days, it would just help my swelling and my ankles to go down. But it still wasn't enough to actually get some REM sleep, you know. Look, take 1 hour at a time. That's what I try to do, you know. I am homeless. I need some help. Please help. Anything helps. Info in bio. I'm hungry, y'all. I need to charge the vehicle. Okay? That's the number 1 and 2 priority right now, is to eat and charge the vehicle right now. I can't do nothing without it. Either one of those. So my goal is to buy my own car outright, get a place to live with insurance, and own the car and get a place to live immediately. All right, that's the goal. Short-term goal right now, I just want to get something to eat and charge the car so I can work. So I need everything in between, getting them something to eat, charge the car, and the main goal. Anything in between to help. Anything at all. Anytime. I don't have to be live. Y'all can send help anytime. Top 4 ways. Bio. Watch the pin video, share the pin video in the top 4 ways in the bio with all your followers, friends, family, coworkers, church members. Get them to do the same thing. Get thousands and thousands of people to know my situation and that I need help. And I do everything I can for myself. It's not enough to get out of the situation and never will be. I need a miracle, a whole bunch of help. Maybe a combination of, I don't know. But look, please go to the bio right now, top 4 ways, and send some help, please. I've got to go. I got a few miles left. I'm going to go try to make a couple of bucks, but I need some help. I need a lot of help, y'all. I'm hungry. I need to charge the vehicle. I'd like to get a room tomorrow. I got auto pay stuff coming up. I need some help. A lot of help. Even if I had enough to charge for a few days, which it doesn't last that long, but